The teacher can see you right there.
All right.
I can't see you.
What are our definitions? What are our vocabulary words this week? Who can tell me one of our vocabulary words? Parker, tell me one of them.
Value.
What?
Value.
Place value? Okay. What about place value? What does that mean?
That means like plus the numbers and stuff.
Numbers and stuff. Can you go a little bit further for me? Like tell me what a place value means.
Where your numbers are.
Where your numbers are and they're what? What does it mean if you have a 5 in the 10th place, Parker? The value, right?
Yes.
Tell me another one, Sophia.
Location.
That's not what, that's how do you want it in ELA. Tell us one of your vocabulary words in math class.
Digits.
Carter.
Digits.
Digits, okay. Tell me what digits is. No, what does digits mean? Sophia, tell me what digit means.
I mean like the number.
The number? Yes, that's exactly what digits mean, is the number. What have we got so far? Place value digits. What have you got?
Standard.
Standard form. What's standard form?
Like
The number. Amy, give me one more.
the expanded form.
Expanded form. And what does expanded form mean?
The number stretched apart.
The number is stretched apart into what? The place?
The place value.
Excellent, excellent. Kaylee, tell me another one.
Well, I was gonna do expanded.
You're going to do expanded form. So we've done expanded form. We've done standard form.
Operation.
We've done digit. And what else?
Operation. We have not did operation.
We've not done operations, but operations is what?
You're like the
It's okay.
your plus, your
Yes, plus, minus, division, and multiplication. Multiplication, yes. All right, Carter, tell me another one.
form.
Word form. What does word form mean over there, group 4? Y'all, group 4, tell me what word form means.
Like a problem, but solved in words.
A number, and we write it out in words. That was, yes, ma'am. Excellent job. Have we listed them all?
Yeah.
Place value, expanded form, standard form, digit, and operation. That is our vocabulary words. All right, we are going to be in your iReady book, page 13. And I want it worked out on your book first, and then we'll go to the Chromebook. Book first, then the Chromebook. Page 13, number 1. Work it out. Those are yours. Page 13, number 1. Work it out in your book, and then if you have time, because I'm only going to give you about 2 to 3 minutes.
Can you draw? Like draw it on number 1?
If you want to draw it out, yes ma'am. Number 1, yes. On page 13, do it in your book first, because this is what's important, then your Chromebook. Alan, you heard me. I know you did. Number 1 in the book. Thank you, sir. Yes.
You can use mine. No.
Just go get you one.
Oh.
Right back there. Okay. Let's get to work. Book first. Book first. This is what's important. Yes. Book first. Book first. I know you heard me. Now then you write it on the device.
I'm all done.
Thank you for that.
Oh my god, that was pretty fun.
All right. I want to call your attention to the board. I know I needed to do another class. I'm sorry I didn't do that.
42.
Right, this one is 3,642, and this clearly says 36,000.
42.
So if we were confused about down here, and we see 36,000, we could put this in a place value chart, right? We could have done that. However, if you write 36,000, and then it says 42, we could just add it like this. We can also do it this way, 36,042, okay? If you were a little bit confused about where those two numbers went. Anybody else do it any other way? Did anybody put it in a place value chart? Yes, ma'am, and Sophia, how did you solve?
Well, first I started to expand the number,
Okay,
and I started to write the numbers in the number form.
with the number.
Then I add them all together.
Awesome, I love it. So did y'all hear how Sophia? Yes, expanded form and then she added them together. All right, let's go ahead and go to number 2. Go ahead and let's work this out in your book, and then we'll do it on the Chromebooks, okay? Work it out in your book, then we'll do it in the Chromebook. You do. Yep.
Write the number down.
Let's see. How? Yeah, you just write how. Okay, the pencils are in the back of the room. You don't have to ask me to get a new one. Work it out. Mm-hmm. We're gonna work it out. I want you to work it out the best you can. And then when we work it out, work it out. Alright. Just because I see some people doing the same thing, let's talk about this. Let's just talk about this all together, okay? So, suppose you only have hundreds, tens, and ones blocks, okay? What are two different ways you can make the number 1,718? Remember on page 10, number 4. Remember that? Page 10, number 4. Does everybody remember page 10, number 4?
Yes.
Sophia, page 10, number 4? Yes? Yes. Let's look at page 10, number 4. Okay? We had different numbers and we spread them out. So what I want to do, maybe I'm going to do this, okay? I do see what you did. I'm going to draw here, okay? Okay. Thank you for allowing me to do that. All right. So we have hundreds, tens, and one blocks. That's all we've got to explain this number. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to put this in a place value chart. Okay, 1,000, and I've got 100. Remember, I don't have to write it all out because it's just in my book, right? So now we put this number in the chart. 1, what's next? 7, what's in the tens place, Isaac? 1, and the ones is 8. Okay. So now I go back to what the question says, hundreds, tens, ones only. Well, I have thousands, right? I have 1,000. Is that correct? Okay, but I can only put it in hundreds. So do I put 7 here and I just lose the 1,000?
No.
Okay.
1 and 7 there.
Oh, that's interesting. Why do I do that, Amy? Can you tell me?
Because we don't have the 1,000 spot, so we put 1 and the 7 together and it's still 1,000.
Because if you, that's absolutely correct.
If you put the
Excellent
co-
job.
if you
If
put-
you say, hold on, you say 17 times 100, right? Oh, I don't wanna write it like that. You put 100 up here. What's 17 times 1? Any number times 1 is
1.
that number.
Yeah.
Okay, so 17 times 1 will be
1,017.
17 times 1, and then we go back and count our zeros.
Yes.
1, 0, 2, 0. Now we have what Amy said, 1,700. Tens. How many tens do we have? We have 1 10. How many ones do we have? 8. 8 ones. Okay? Same thing, if there was 10,000 and we could only use thousands, okay? Alright, go to the next problem. Amy, great job. Great job. Let's work out one more before I hand out your worksheet. Oh, wait, let's do this one together. Hold on.
This one's fun.
Yeah, hold on. Let's do it in expanded form. First one is what?
10,000.
50?
5,000.
No, do not yell at me.
50.
Amy, you tell me the next number, please. I've got 50,000, 5,000, alright? I just lost his name, I just said it. Anthony, thank you. Tell me what the other one is. What comes next? I got 50,000 plus 5,000, 500. Sophia, what's next?
50.
50. Zoe, can you tell me what's next? It's in the ones. Yes, ma'am. In the ones place is the 5. Now, the next question is, how does the value of each 5 compare to the value of the 5 to the right?
10,000.
He took the thunder right out of it, didn't he? 5 times 10 equals what?
50.
And 50 times 10 is what?
500.
500. 500 times 10 is what?
5,000.
5,000 times 10 is what?
50,000.
50,000. That's the important part right here, okay, guys? Alright, let me see what the next one is.
Do we have to flip our pages?
No, we are gonna go on to the worksheet, okay? We are gonna go to the worksheet. Let me grab it really, really quickly.